Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to blur part of video in VN. So let's get started. First things first, open the VN Editor app. Create a project of the video you want to edit. Once it is opened, now click on the video, then click on Duplicate, then click on the first video. Then click on Background on the bottom menu. Click on Image section, then adjust blur as you want. Then click on bottom right Done button. Then click on First Video, then tap and hold it and move it down to the bottom. Then click on the second clip. Then from the bottom menu, click on Forward. Then move the video to the start. Then select the video. Then click on Mask button from the bottom. Then select Radial. Then click on it again to invert mask. Then place it to the face. Then click on Keyframe. Add more keywords. When the face moves, you have to move the mask too. It is quite easy. Once it's done, click on bottom right button. Then play the video to see the results. And that's how you blur part of video in VN. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.